Alright, I got everything mounted on there. It's holding up alright. Got this mounted up. And then if you look in the back of this, it has so this is where the controller is gonna go. This is a jack for the headphones in case you want to like chat and stuff like that. And I'm just gonna run these cords along that bar right there and run it down. And if you look down here, I did add some zip. Since there isn't a place to actually bolt them in, I put zip ties on each of the flap handles. See that? So it's a zip tie right there. So when I'm pushing this down, it's not gonna like jump up off of there or nothing. But yeah, so the next video I'm gonna try to add some gameplay in there.